that is the AirPods that I got for free and back to school offer. So as I told that Apple has launched giving free AirPods and the back to school offer in 2020. So let's open this box. So when I first open the box, here we get our AirPods. So let's get them out. So as you can see, this is the AirPods. So basically here we see the two AirPods design. So there were multiple options to select from. So if you want the free one, so you need to select this one that is that come with the charging case and the lightning cable. If you want to take the wireless one, you need to add $40 more. That depends on your country. So here is a website. You can see that these are all the options that are available. So now let's open this box and see how the AirPods are. And the best part is I have engraved them with the Apple engraving free service. So I am pretty much excited about that one also. So let's open this. So when you open the box first, we get some box with manuals, how to use the AirPod and some quick guides and about information about the AirPods. And we don't get any of the Apple stickers in this product as we get in the different products. So that's it. And here are our AirPods. So this is a cute looking case. We will open this later. And the main thing which some of you miss out, so when you will pull this box out, you get a lightning cable at that, which some of you really missed that out and keep the box as it is. So this is the lightning cable that you get in the box. So these are all the contents. Let's keep this aside and let's focus on our AirPods. So let's open this. So it has a good glossy finish, and here, let me say it's correctly printed or not. Yes, as you can see that here it's my name written, Ketul Patel. So it's free service that Apple provides nowadays, so that you can engrave any name on this or emoji on this. So this is the front part. The whole finishing is good. Here you get your charging connector, that is the lightning cable, and at the back here you get the button over here. And when you open the AirPods, here they are, and here you can see that there is a LED that indicates the status of your battery as well as the connection. So here you get, so currently it's popping up with a white LED. That means it is in the pairing mode with the Bluetooth. You can connect it, and it also shows the indication of green and the red light that shows the battery status. And these are the AirPods. So basically this is the sensors that are used, and it has a good battery life. So it has also inbuilt battery in this as well as battery in the case. So now let's open our another product. So this is the box. Let's finally open this. This is MacBook Pro 13-inch. So let's see how it looks and how the product is. So as always, Apple has its own unboxing experience. So this is MacBook Pro 13-inch. This is Intel i5 8th generation, and I have upgraded RAM from 8GB to 16GB. So basically this is 16GB and 256GB of variant. It has 1.4 GHz processor, and it has turbo boost up to 3.9 GHz processor. It has Intel Iris Plus Graphics 645, and it comes with touch ID and touch bar. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So pretty much here we have the laptop, and here it is written MacBook and the Apple logo over here. Let's keep this aside. So here we have our MacBook. So let's keep this aside and see what's inside. So here we have Type C to Type C cable, and it says designed by Apple in California, and inside there are some space gray Apple stickers. So yes, Apple has changed. So basically we get a white color Apple sticker, but now we get a space gray too, and some manuals that come inside. So let's keep this aside. So now let's open this. So as you can see, that space gray color looks good. Some of you like the silver one, but I basically, like myself, I like space gray. So this is what Apple gives. So basically when you take this, it starts automatically. So let me set up this and I will get back to you. So as you can see that Apple has changed its keyboard to the Magic Keyboard, so it's good. And we have a touch bar over here. And this is the touch ID, so it works as a touch as a fingerprint sensor, as well as a power on and power off button. And Apple has now changed to a dedicated escape key over here, so that might be useful for many of you. And that's all how it looks. So on this side we get a 3.5mm audio jack, and on the other side two Thunderbolt Type C cable, and on the other variant we have the 4, that is 2 here and 2 on this side with a 3.5mm audio jack. So talking about the speakers, we have 2 speakers over here, one over here and one over there. So now let's see the audio quality of this. So the speaker qualities are good, the sound is not bursting out, it's good quality. So let me know in the comment if you want any other test to perform on this. So this is a product I will be doing a detailed review of as a developer perspective. So wait for the next video. I will be going through all the features, if you can buy i5, i7, what RAM you need, and all. So I will be making a developer review of MacBook Pro. And yes, I got this from a student discount store. So basically I got my AirPods free. So I think it's till October 10th, so still it's running on their website. You can go and check out, and there are good offers going on. So this is pretty much about the unboxing experience of MacBook. So if you want to buy, the link is in description, you can go and check out. So I got this for $2010, and I got the AirPods free, as you know, and I have engraved on it, my name is engraved on that. So if you have any question about MacBook, you can comment down below, and I will, as I said, I will be making a developer review of this. So should a developer buy this, or should he buy i5, i7 difference, and all that covering in the next video. So if you like this video, press like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for more of the unboxing video. Thank you for watching.